Hi guys, this is your boy Mthembile. We're back with another story. Manyane Manyane has written an article here. DA urges public protector to investigate Gayton Mackenzie to fund misuse. So Mackenzie, DA is urging the public protector to investigate him for misusing funds for the World Cup. I don't know. DA is not a soccer. Their constituents are not football fans and stuff. So maybe they in that mission, I don't know if it was rugby, they would be crying the same thing. We don't know. But let's read the whole article. What does it say? The DA wants public protector advocate Kollega Galega to launch an investigation against sports and arts and culture minister Gayton Mackenzie for allegedly breaching the executive ethics code by operating a job for PALS scheme and misappropriating nearly 110 million in public funds. Or is not. The party also wants Mackenzie to be investigated over the controversial FIFA World Cup expenditure, which was 31 million. So that's 140 million. Yo, Mackenzie. No wonder he's Kabweti. No, abasazi Mackenzie. Mabahlale. Siziminister ngoku. You funny politicians, you guys. The party wants the office to investigate whether Mackenzie has violated his oath of office as a cabinet minister, benefiting his insider circles and the Patriotic Alliance Party. Obviously, all of you doing the same things, man. All of you. Obviously is doing that. The spokesperson on sports, arts and culture, Lina Potgieter, stated that a pattern of emerging from Mackenzie's tenure, where the ministers controls the criteria for appointing PA members and political associates, allocates public money to them, and subsequently evades, delays, and refuses to provide complete records where Parliament inquires. So there's no transparency in how the funds are being spent. Yeah, and there's a lot of cash in South Africa. South Africa is rich. Telling you, man, with the right leadership, all of us, our standards could be at least up to par with some of the first world countries. But no, they want us to live in poverty. The complaints centered around the appointment of the 2025-2026 Mzansi Golden Economy adjudication panel of 6 members, which was tasked to distribute nearly 110 million in grants to artists, festival, and cultural organizations. Oh, I remember. Even McG benefited somewhere somehow. I remember. The party said members included PA's spokesperson Steve Mutale and Vernon Fracom and Francisco Tejada, who were identified as active members of the party at the time, and then Bapopa. Mm. This comes after the DA accused Mackenzie of dodging the portfolio committee and failing to appear in parliament to answer to the administration of the millions in MGE grants. I mean, I'm asking a question, man. When these people are doing these things, do they not know that one day will come back to haunt them? Or maybe they think they will get away with it? I don't know. I don't know. When they steal in jail with impunity, thinking they will get away with it forever. In response, the PA has labeled the complaints as nothing but a headline seeking stunt with zero evidence. Mutale said Mackenzie has answered every single question put to him in Parliament on these matters already. He said the minister has also answered publicly both through official statements and responses to the media. He has never had anything to hide and he has never ducked a debate committee appearance or follow-up question, said Mutale. Mutale said Mackenzie has been cleared on every prior public protector complaint and every prior referral to Parliament's Ethics Committee brought to against him, adding that there is no reason to expect a different outcome now. Obviously, he will never admit to his crimes. And I'm kidding. He also announced that the PA is finalizing its complaint to the public protector against the DA, arising from the resolved communications matter involving from DA's leader Tony Leon. The public protector spokesperson Ndili Msoki confirmed receipt of the complaint, adding that the complaint in question is still at the assessment phase. Should the assessment reveal that there is sufficient information to proceed with an investigation, and it is determined that the public protector has jurisdiction to investigate the matter, the complaint will be allocated to an investigator who then commences the investigation process, he said. Earlier this year, the DA submitted a formal complaint to the public protector against Mackenzie following his decision to unilaterally withdraw South Africa's submission to the 61st Venice Biennale. The party argued that an independent and lawful institutional selection process had already been concluded before the minister intervened to cancel the artwork, a piece by Gabriel Goliath that referenced the death of women and children in Gaza. And Mackenzie siding with Israel. So, hey, it's political everything, but yeah. Good. In a statement issued shortly after filing the complaint on Thursday, Potgieter said Mackenzie's own deputy minister and the department director general have confirmed that he has personally set the requirements for the panel and made the appointments. This means that this minister determined the rules, selected the panel, and appointed active members of his own political party to decide how nearly 110 would be distributed. To this day, there is no full account of where these 110 went, she said. Yeah. And these people are great, but Mackenzie was already rich. Misusing these funds, the guy is already rich. The 110 fund was established on paper to create opportunities for artists and grow the creative economy, but appears to have created opportunities for patriotic alliance allegedly Potgieter dead. Quote and unquote. The second complaint relates concerns regarding the 31 million FIFA World Cup complaint and 7.9 for official travel in Mexico in the US. Cabanga nje with short space of a month spent on a million. They can't create employment, they can't build factories, we have no cars, we have no inventions. The guy who created specs where AI had no funding, he had to crowdfund. We are born and it is as a hockey team is struggling, but Mackenzie are spending money like nobody's business. The minister's personal travel alone amounted to, Potgieter said this is highly suspicious amount to have spent on just 18 people traveling on a trip. Come on guys, alone in a trip, man, alone. Maybe million, yeah, maybe million. Let's say 18 people, it should be 18 million. So each person spent nearly 2 million. You don't even eat. What were you eating there? What were you drinking? The minister's personal travel cost alone amounted to more than 1 million for the FIFA World Cup. This must be investigated. While Katie Mackenzie spent 21 million on going to the World Cup, South African Sporting Federation are struggling to survive, she said. I do agree with you. Especially the juniors are saying they're struggling, but Mackenzie are spending money. The party requested the public protector to investigate maladministration in connection with the affairs of the government at any level, including abuse or unjustified exercise of power or unfair, capricious, cautious or other improper conduct or undue delay by a person performing a public function. Potgieter also wants the office to look into improper or unlawful enrichment of receipt of any improper advantage or promise of such enrichment or advantage by a person as a result of an act or omission in the public administration or in connection with the affairs of government at any level or a person performing a public function. And Mackenzie was speaking all the right words before he became a minister. All the right words. Anyway, please subscribe, please like. Let us grow the page. See you in the next video.